Union Springs. We're gonna drive up it and go to Flagpole Knob, and that is gonna be freaking sweet. I'm gonna solo Union Springs. I know some people online say it's not that crazy. I've seen that, but the videos look pretty crazy to me. And I know it's a trail. Before I was lifted, I would have like never even considered. But because when I don't consider off-road trails, if it's gonna hurt my vehicle, I really don't want to, I know you can get rock sliders and you can slide certain stuff and touch certain stuff underneath, but I don't know, I'm a deep snow guy. I don't really want to touch any rocks underneath my truck, at all, if I can help it. So we're gonna throw all that out the window today, and it's gonna be a deep snow guy over some big rock obstacles. All right, I bought these bagels yesterday in the middle of nowhere, Virginia, and they're actually really, really good. I walked in and it smelled really amazing, and I'm glad I got the bagels. And also because I got eggs, but I got no butter to cook the eggs in. So I'm just gonna have some bagels with cream cheese this morning. And then we'll get on to the trail. Man, this French toast bagel is so good. We got some beautiful sun going today. It is supposed to rain in a little bit, and this trail could get kind of muddy. There are some larger rock obstacles and stairs and steps going up, because we're going up to 4,200 feet elevation. So we'll see how that works out. Man, that staircase was awesome. That's probably the biggest obstacle I ever went over. And I do think it's a pretty decent obstacle, because I'm looking at this. So it took out a 4Runner. So if it took out a 4Runner, hopefully I don't end up like that. Wow, that was awesome. That was definitely the biggest rock obstacles I have ever done, and the most extreme off-road trail. I went to Moab in Colorado with this, but it wasn't lifted, so I didn't do anything crazy. I probably won't do much like that again, at least soon, because this is my house now. But man, there was hit a bunch of stuff, did a bunch of amazing big obstacles, and this amazing view. Check out this view, guys. We're gonna get the drone in the air. Let's make some burgers and enjoy this view, because I am
So tired after that, but that was amazing. I am really happy I did that. Wow, crazy. I also did this on the back right tire. It's holding air. It seems to be fine, but I don't know. Should I replace that? I guess probably. Nice. Sun's coming out. Gonna make some burgers with a beautiful view. That's awesome. 4,200 feet elevation. That's really something. And trust me, I believe it, because I climbed all the way up. Let's see. Got some mayo, got some Cholula, got some salt and pepper, got some other seasonings. It was definitely the hardest road I've ever done. Well, it was so much fun. My truck handled it amazingly. I think I only hit like a little bit on one thing, and it wasn't even like the big rock obstacles. It was like a rut after like a little like bump. So I'm super happy I lifted my truck. I'm super happy to be here at the top of Flagpole Knob. Shenandoah Mountains are wonderful and beautiful. Man, this is really good. Put some mayo and Cholula sauce and some pepper jack cheese on these burgers, salt and pepper, and then a little Kinder seasoning, I forget which one. But today was rough. That was the craziest road I've ever been on, ever. Some of those obstacles were huge. I had to stack some rocks and stuff. But that was crazy. My truck's okay, except the gash in the side of the tire. I probably have to replace that. But I'm super happy I did this trail. I won't be doing any crazy trails like that anytime soon, at least. And just gonna enjoy these burgers and hopefully get a good night's sleep tonight. Well, that was a phenomenal day and a phenomenal video. I really enjoyed making that for you guys. If you guys liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And enjoy this sunset, and I'll see you guys in the next one.